Are you a student looking to make some extra money online? Well, we've got an exciting opportunity for you. With the power of artificial intelligence in your smartphone, you can unlock your student potential and earn a steady online income. So, let's dive straight into it. First, let's talk about online tutoring. With AI-powered platforms, you can showcase your expertise and offer personalized tutoring sessions to students around the world. Simply sign up, create your profile, and start teaching subjects you excel in. It's a win-win situation. You help others while earning money. Next, let's explore transcription services. Many companies require accurate and timely transcriptions of audio or video recordings. With your smartphone's AI capabilities, you can easily transcribe these files and get paid for your work. It's a flexible way to earn money, as you can work on your own schedule. Another AI-powered opportunity lies in virtual assistants. Businesses often need help with administrative tasks, such as data entry, email management, and scheduling appointments. By harnessing the power of AI on your smartphone, you can offer virtual assistant services, supporting busy professionals and earning money at the same time. Lastly, let's not forget about social media management. AI can help you analyze data, schedule posts, and optimize content. By becoming a social media manager, you can help businesses expand their online presence and generate leads. It's a great way to use your student skills while building a portfolio for future career opportunities. So, there you have it, AI-powered smartphone side hustles that can unlock your student potential for online income. With online tutoring, transcription services, virtual assistants, and social media management, the opportunities are endless. Give it a try and start making money online today. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.